Hello students, now we will discuss to find equivalent resistance of combination of number of resistances in series and parallel. Resistances in series. A number of resistances are said to be connected in series if current flowing through each resistance is same. Let three resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series as shown in the diagram. His resistance R1, the resistance R2 and resistance R3, they are connected in series. Therefore, the current flowing through each resistance is same and is equal to I. Let capital V is the potential difference across the resistance. Let the equivalent resistance is R. Therefore, equivalent circuit become the resistance capital R. Therefore, the potential difference across R must be same equal to V when same current capital I is flowing through it. Let the potential difference across the resistance R1 is V1. Potential difference across R1 is V1, and according to Ohm's law, V1 is given by V1 is equal to IR1. Similarly, potential difference across the resistances R2 and R3 is V2 and V3 respectively. Potential difference across R2 is V2 and potential difference across R3 is V3 and is given by V2 is equal to IR2 and V3 is equal to IR3, and total potential difference V across the equivalent resistance R is given by V is equal to IR. Also, total potential difference is given by V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Therefore, IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. That is, by putting the values of V1, V2, V3 and V, we get IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. In the right hand side, we can take I common. Therefore, IR is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. I and I cancel each other. Therefore, we get R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is, if resistances are connected in series, then equivalent resistance is equal to sum of the resistances connected in series. Now, resistances in parallel. A number of resistances are said to be connected in parallel if potential difference across each resistance is same. Let three resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel as shown in the diagram. This is resistance R1, resistance R2 and resistance R3. They are connected in parallel. Let V is the common potential difference across the resistances when current I is flowing. Potential difference is capital V and current flowing is I. Let equivalent resistance is capital R. Therefore, equivalent circuit become a resistance capital R. Therefore, the potential difference across R must be V when current I is flowing through it. Let current flowing through resistance R1 is I1. Through resistance R1, current I1 is flowing, and according to Ohm's law is given by I1 is equal to V upon R1. Similarly, electric current flowing through the resistances R2 and R3 is I2 and I3 respectively. Through R2, current flowing is I2, and through R3, current flowing is I3, and is given by I2 is equal to V upon R2 and I3 is equal to V upon R3. And total electric current flowing through the equivalent resistance R is given by I is equal to V upon capital R. And also total electric current is given by I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. By putting the values, therefore, we get V upon R is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. In the right hand side, we can take V common. Therefore, V upon R is equal to V into 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Now V and V cancel each other. Therefore, we get 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. That is, if resistances are connected in parallel, then reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to algebraic sum of reciprocal of resistances connected in parallel. If there are two resistances R1 and R2, then equivalent resistance R is given by 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. In the right hand side, take LCM. We get 1 upon R is equal to R2 plus R1 upon R1 R2 implies 1 upon R is equal to R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2, as R2 plus R1 is equal to R1 plus R2. Hence, R is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. That is, if two resistors are connected in parallel, then equivalent resistance is equal to sum of ratio of the equivalent resistance is equal to ratio of product of two resistance to the sum of two resistance connected in parallel. That is, when two resistors are connected in parallel, then equivalent resistance is equal to ratio of product of two resistance to the sum of two resistance connected in parallel. Thank you very much.